Hey guys, Philip here. In this video, I'd like to just show you my development progress of my newest course. This is the first video of its type, so let's see how it will go. Okay, so my newest course I'm working on is this Unity course where I'm working on this RPG game. The course will also include the other two games where you will learn the basics of Unity. But first, let's see where we are currently at in the lecture. I think this is the lecture number 200, I guess. And currently, there is an attack system, following system, there are enemies, weapons, and all of this stuff. So when I will go close to the enemy, it will start following me. I can fight the enemy. All right, and after the enemy health will reach the 0, the enemy will display this dead animation, and this will be basically what it will look like. And after a few seconds, it will disappear. Today I added some quests to the game, actually questing system, where we have this quest NPC. So far we cannot interact here much. We'll be actually on this I will be working tomorrow. Okay, so you can see here there are a scene, just a few things. There's a player, quest NPCs, enemy structure, sword, and all of this stuff. Okay, so in the terms of a code, what I have so far implemented in the course in this RPG project, there is actually a couple of stuff already. We'll be working on everything from the scratch, basically. I'm not using here any third-party packages on this project. From the third-party packages, I'm using just the model for the player, for the enemies, and so on. And also, I'm using Cinemachine for the camera because it's much easier to handle camera system with a Cinemachine. Yeah, so yeah, we have here for a camera controller, because we'll be controlling the camera, Cinemachine camera to this camera controller. So this movement, you can see when I'm holding the right button on the mouse, I can change the view of the camera and I can move in a direction as I am rotating the camera. So this camera control will do. All right, so, and not this one. Then we have a follow camera. That's actually redundant already, because I think that I was using this as an example how to create a camera from scratch that following the player. Already I think I have about this video on YouTube. And then we have here damage system. So normal components we will be adding to our enemies to keep the health of the enemies and to compute the different stuff as to apply the damage to an enemy and so on. And yeah, you can see already there is a lot of scripts. Behavior scripts for abandoned, so specific scripts only for abandoned behaviors, state machine behaviors for animations, and yeah, all of this stuff here. So it'll be quite a big course. I was planning to make just 150 lectures, and there are already 200 lectures in this course, and there will be much more coming. So I have planned a lot of stuff for this. Okay, so you can already find all of this stuff on my GitHub repository. I will include a link in the description if you are interested. And also, I'm already publishing this course at my platform. So if you are interested to see some also preview of the course, you can just search for this on Code Academy. Okay, yeah, here are 185 lectures and 20 hours of content, but there is already more lectures. I think I have 196 lectures. Oh, should be in total even more lectures. And you can watch the preview here. If you would like to see more of these updates, what I'm doing and what I'm working on, I think I will be just recording them more often, so you'll get used more to the camera, because I'm not recording to the camera my lectures much, so I would like to change it. And yeah, so if you want to get at this project, just search it on a GitHub. It shouldn't be easy. It shouldn't be hard to get it working for you. If you're interested and to want to see lectures, yeah, go ahead, check the course here, and also check my channel on YouTube. There is already lots of Unity lectures you can maybe watch. Okay, so that should be it from this preview, from this progress of development, and see you in some of my other videos, guys. Cheers.